Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix low speaker sound on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many methods to solve this issue. First is make sure silent mode is turned off. Check the ring silent switch on your iPhone and make sure it's not switched to the silent. So you can also swipe down from the top right corner to open control center and ensure that the silent mode is turned off. So firstly you can check from here, this is the ringer button or switcher, so make sure it's turned off. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is check the speaker grill. Use a soft dry brush to gently remove any dirt or debris that might be blocking the speaker grill. Avoid using sharp objects or liquid as they could damage the speaker. So gently clean the speaker grill with a soft brush. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix minor software glitches that may be affecting the speaker volume. So just go to settings here. Here you can see general, tap on it, scroll to the up, and here you can see shutdown, tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your speaker problem. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is check for Bluetooth connections. Disconnecting from any Bluetooth speakers or headphones that might be connecting. So open the settings. Here you can see Bluetooth and turn it off to fix this issue. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is adjust the volume settings. Make sure the volume slider in control center is turned up. You can also adjust the volume for specific media types like music or videos within the respective app. So here you can increase and decrease your volume from here. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.